Good morning everyone. My name is Arnav. Today I will show you an experiment which tells that how the molecules of metals passes heat when heated up. For the activity we require a couple of buttons, a metal spoon, a matchbox and a candle. Now I will light the candle. Then I will put some drops of wax on the spoon. Now I will stick the button to it. I will do the same procedure on second position also. Now I have this spoon with button fixed at two places. Now I will be putting the edge of the spoon on the flame. Now you can see that the buttons are falling. It means that the molecules of spoon are passing the heat and soon the other button will also fall down because heat will melt the wax there also. This activity shows that in metals, the transfer of heat happens from molecules to its adjacent molecules, and this type of transfer of heat is known as conduction. Thank you.